Ever found yourself pondering over the idea of starting a dropshipping business with zero capital? It may sound like a dream too good to be true, but buckle up, because today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of dropshipping and show you how to kickstart your own venture with no initial investment. First things first, dropshipping, as intriguing as it sounds, is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. When a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Hence, the merchant never sees or handles the product. The greatest difference between dropshipping and the standard retail model: the selling merchant doesn't stock or own inventory. Instead, the merchant purchases inventory as needed from a third party, usually a wholesaler or manufacturer, to fulfill orders. So, how does one start this business without a dime to their name? Well, it's simpler than you think. Step 1. Identify your niche. It's crucial to select a niche that you're genuinely interested in, a product range that isn't too saturated and has enough demand to sustain your business. Remember, the more specific you are with your niche, the better. Step 2. Perform competition research. Look at what your competitors are doing and learn from their successes and failures. This will give you a clear idea of what products are trending and what potential customers are looking for. Step 3. Find a supplier. Platforms like AliExpress make it easy to find manufacturers who are willing to dropship for you. Make sure to communicate with them and build a relationship of trust. Step 4. Build an e-commerce website. There are plenty of free website builders like WordPress that you can use to set up your online store. Remember to make your website user-friendly and appealing to your target audience. Step 5. Create a customer acquisition plan. Think about how you'll attract and convert your audience. This could be through social media marketing, SEO, or content marketing. Step 6. Analyze and optimize. After you've started, it's important to keep track of what's working and what's not. This will help you improve your strategies and grow your business. So there you have it, folks. Starting a dropshipping business with no money isn't a far-fetched dream, but a very achievable reality. It requires determination, research, and a little bit of creativity. So, why wait? The world of dropshipping awaits you. Take the first step towards your entrepreneurial journey today. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Happy dropshipping!